Good morning, dear students. So, today we are going to start the sixth chapter in your grammar book, that is nouns, number. A noun which refers to one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be the singular number. Boy, girl, cow, elephant, chair, table, country, park. Now, this specifies only one thing. Alright, boy, one boy. Country, one country. So, that is a singular number. A noun which refers to more than one person's animal, place, or thing is said to be in the plural number, like boys, girls, cows, elephants, chairs, tables, countries, parks. So these are all plurals. How to form plural noun? In most cases, we add s to the singular noun to form plural, like bat, bats, ball, balls, cow, cows, elephant, elephants, chair, chairs. In case of nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, or x, we add es to the singular noun. Buses, glasses, wishes, churches, foxes. Alright. In case of noun ending in o, we add es, like potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes. When the noun end in f or fe, we change f or fe to ves. Leaf, leaves, calf, calves, half, halves, life, lives. Remember the following exceptions to this rule. Chief will be chiefs, hoof will be hoofs, roof will be roofs, proof will be proofs. When nouns end in consonant plus y, consonant, that is here, like m is a consonant and then y, so we change y to ies. Army, armies, navy, navies, body, bodies, baby, babies. When the noun end in vowels plus y, like boy, so before y there is a vowel, a, I, o, u, o. Boy, boys, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, valley, valleys. So this is the way it has to be done. Now give the plural form of the following word. Desk, desks, dresses, dress, dresses, brush, brushes, bench, benches, beach, beaches, dish, dishes, radio, radios, roof, roofs, army, armies, shelf, shelves, window, windows, wife, wives, pen, pens, box, boxes, glass, glasses, boy, boys. There are nouns which do not follow any of these rules. Some of these nouns form plural by adding suffixes other than s, es, or so on. Like child will become children, ox will become oxen. Most of you, I have seen you use children's. So there is no word as children's. Children in itself is a plural form. Some of these nouns form plural by changing single letter or several letters of the singular form, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, woman, women. There are some nouns which do not change in their plural form, like sheep will remain sheep, deer will remain deer, fish will remain fish. To know whether the word is being used as singular plural form, we have to understand the sentence. Definitely, if a word is used in both plural and singular forms, then the sentence is going to be the best judge. The child wanted to see a deer, singular. When he went to the zoo, he saw many deer. So many deer is plural. Several sheep were grazing in the field, plural. A sheep was black in color, that is singular. Now, we saw many colorful fish in the aquarium, plural. Popo was a fish who went on an adventure, singular. But sometimes we use fishes also. Example, we saw many kinds of fishes in the pond. Now, fishes is used when you are talking of variety, different kinds. Similarly, fruit is used in singular. Example, we should have fruit in with breakfast every day. We use fruits when we mean different varieties of fruits. Example, different types of fruits are available in winters. There are some nouns which have only plural forms: trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors, clothes. In part, I feel because they are always found in pairs. Like trousers, you have two parts. Scissors, you have two arms. Likewise for clothes also. Probably this is the reason. The trousers do not fit you. Scissors are sharp, so handle them carefully. The clothes are bought from Jaipur. There are some nouns which have only singular form, like furniture, न्यूज़, इंफॉर्मेशन. मतलब इसको आप प्लूरल की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सिंगुलर की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द फर्नीचर वॉज बॉट फ्रॉम द स्टोर. दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ वेरी वैल्यूएबल फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. Now you have to convert the singular form to plural. Ox, oxen. Roof, roofs. Child, children. Photo, photos. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. Family, families. Mouse, mice. Please take care of the spellings. Sheep will remain sheep. Deer will remain deer. Wish will be wishes. Tooth will be teeth. Now change the nouns printed in the bold to their singular forms. The soldier fought with the enemy. I have hurt my foot. The woman wore spectacles. The goose swam in the pool. Get me the book on the shelf. The doctor treated the injured man. The child cried in fear. The fly bothered me when I was eating a sandwich. Alright, so I have written the spellings here, you can refer. Change the nouns printed in the bold into plural form. The child played with the woman. The children played with the women. Give me the scissors will remain the same. We found the photos. We need to shift the furniture to our new houses. The news reached us on time. We found the knives in the kitchen. The cats ran after the mice. The oxen scared away the dogs. So this completes your chapter. Let us revise. We can form plurals in many ways: by adding s, bats, balls, by adding es to the words ending with s, double s, ch or x and o. Example, buses, glasses, bunches, boxes. By changing f or fe into ves when noun ends in f or fe, like leaf, leaves. By changing y into ies when noun ends in consonant plus y, armies. By adding s when nouns end in vowel plus y, boys. Some nouns do not follow these rules: children. Some nouns do not change form: sheep, deer. Some nouns are always plural: trousers. Some nouns are always singular: news. So this completes your chapter. In case you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you, dear students.